welcome to episode 2 of The Time Show! This month's letter goal is still resilient.
Firstly, we're going to have a say what? What?
之后我们有见到中文家庭的机会。
If you didn't know what that means, it means a small scare with a Chinese family.
That's not what it means.
And that's
The schedule!
Wait a second. These guys, they're doing such a great job. I'd love to give them a challenge. What do you think, Mr. Hussein? Okay, I don't know if Batman's eating chips or telling me an idea, but I definitely have one. Let's give them a challenge.
you guys doing here?
Yeah.
Being busy.
Oh my god, guys, wake up! Why, are you still lying there? But you're dizzy too? Boy, don't be lying down to me, Dizzy. Ugh. Warm it up, you tiny. Roasted! Why don't you sound so squeaky? What are you calling squeaky? Squeaky! Ha! Oh my god, guys, we're all squeaky. And why is everything so big? Well, where even are we?
Where are they?
It looks like the music room. And it smells like it too. We are in the music room, guys. What should we do now? Oh, let's go down the stairs. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. It's so hot. I'm gonna pass out. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. Where are we?
Where are they?
What is this? I'm positive that we're up in Mr. Miguel's nose. I didn't think it was this hairy. Wait. Where's Coco?
Where are they?
Oh, Coco! Let's just go without her. Whatever. Yeah, let's go.
What is the smallest bug in the world?
Pick up a mama.
Yes!
Yes.
Are cockroaches or caterpillars hard to skip? Are they hard to skip?
Carpenters.
Yes, because of the hard shell. Do caterpillars eat meat?
They don't.
Yes, there are meat-eating caterpillars in Hawaii.
That's true. They eat insects.
What is the hardest bug to crush?
Huh?
What is the hardest bug to crush?
Diabolical Rana beetle.
I bet you guys don't know this.
What is the smartest insect? What's the smartest insect?
Ants.
A bee. Can ants cry?
No.
Correct.
Yes.
Are bugs stronger than humans?
Yes. It's bugs.
Yeah.
They have bones.
Outside, right?
No,
Yay,
outside.
no.
Oh, that. Woo.
Cockroaches!
Izzy, come on!
Where are
Let's. Ooh. Cheese puffs! Ha!
Where are they?
Oh my god, it smells like a breath! Ugh. Hi guys, my name is Ariana and I'm in 5A. Today I'm gonna talk about singing. Why do I like singing? Singing makes me happy. I feel like I'm in a concert. It makes me famous. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift and Ariana Grande because they're my favorite singer and I like them. Reason why Taylor Swift is famous. Taylor Swift has a nice voice because everybody likes her. She has nice makeup and great outfits. Reason why I like Ariana Grande. She has the same name as me. Yes, she does. Because my name is Ariana and her name is Ariana. She's very kind and very helpful. Bye. Yeah, Mr. Andrew. It started in 1914. Yeah, I'll turn it in tomorrow. What is that noise? What are you doing in my background?
Where are they?
Oh!
Oh, Mr. Hussein, I'm starting to feel really guilty about the challenge that we gave the 6th grade girls. They're just trying to help with the tide show.
Don't feel guilty. These kids have everything easy. iPad this, app does this for you. Let them go out, run a little bit, have some challenge, run and fall. Just like Batman says, why do we fall? So we can learn to pick ourselves up.
Okay, yeah, well, if Batman says so,
Hey, you like
then
garlic
I
bread?
guess it's true, but
Yeah, mac and cheese.
how do we bring them back?
Guys,
They're
wait!
tiny right now.
Just like you did. You can just snap your finger like you did and that's it, it's done.
Okay,
But give them some challenge a little bit. Yeah, let
Yeah.
them run and fall.
it is really funny. They sound like squeaky mice.
Yes.
Wait, they're gonna give us a challenge? Well, we have to give them a challenge too. Good idea. Let's go find something to drop them with. Sure, okay, that way. I wonder how we can get out. What's that? Oh, string! Wait, this is perfect. We can use this to, like, trap them. Yes. Okay, you get that in. I'll get this.
Okay. All right, I'll snap later then.
What is this? What happened?
Are you okay? Do you hear that? Sounds like mice.
I think I heard something.
I don't know. I have a
Something
bad feeling
squeaky.
about this. It's like karma. I'm really feeling guilty. I think I need to snap soon.
It's okay. I know we fell, but why do we fall? So we can learn to pick ourselves
Right,
up.
Batman. Okay, got it.
Ah, 我和二啊，糖果。你吃了最后一个，我不吃了。你吃了，我不吃。妈妈，
什么？你看到我在照顾宝宝。
他吃了最后一个糖果。妈妈，我不吃了。你吃了，我不吃。姐姐吃，姐姐。
什么？
你吃了最后一个糖果吗？
不知道我。
那谁吃了？
我要带宝宝去厕所，我们看看你可以分享那个
是
晚
我的。
Hey, they made us small, so you have to make them small too.
Oh, okay. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Wrong note.
There. Who is that? The angel calling? No, it's me. Oh my god, sorry guys.